You looking at a 2021 Chevy Tahoe Z71 4x4. The Tahoe runs and drives smooth and quiet. There are no accidents recorded on the history report. The exterior and interior are clean. The tires are 20-inch Cooper Discoverers, and they are in good shape. This Chevy has a 5.3-liter V8 engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, premium smooth ride suspension, front skid plates, trailering equipment, Z71 package. Safety features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, follow distance indicator. Features include power panoramic sunroof, power rear liftgate, leather seating. Front row seats are power adjustable and heated. Second row captain's chairs, 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment with Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite radio, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and Onstar, Bose premium audio with 9 speakers, cruise control with steering wheel controls for voice, audio, and cruise, high-definition rear vision camera, tri-zone climate control, wireless charging, 2 120-volt power outlets, remote start with keyless entry. This Tahoe is ready for the Montana roads and trails, and it will keep you in luxury the entire time. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana